Good morning, people. We obviously took a couple of wrong turns and went through a pretty good rainstorm. And by the time I got my rain suit on, I was pretty much already soaking wet. But we're at Port Canaveral right now. You can see one of the big ships over here. Son of a gun sure is tall. And to get over here, we crossed a drawbridge. And I can tell you, now officially, the Motaz Tractionator Adventures and the Motaz Dual Venture on the grates on the drawbridge, pretty darn slippery when it's wet. Not looking forward to going back over it, but I guess that's the only way. This is one of the largest cruise ship ports in the United States, if not the largest. In Cape Canaveral, Florida. And let's see if we can get back on course here. Yep, still slippery. Okay, not a fan of drawbridge grates. Had a little wiggle wiggle. Little wiggle wiggle, little wobble wobble. A little. Wasn't that bad. Alright. Let's see if we get back on course. Pretty windy. We just had Hurricane Helena come through. That's why we're still getting a lot of the rain. Dumbass couldn't wait any longer, had to get out. Do have to take advantage of a day off when you get them. Still pretty windy. Actually, really windy here. But the storm passed through, and it's up in North Carolina, that area now. They got hit pretty good over on the Gulf Coast and the Panhandle area. I saw on the news. I'm sure you've already seen that. A lot of flooding. And I figure as soon as we get the rain jacket on, sun comes out. That's pretty typical for me. That's okay. I think I've been down here before. I think it's a dead end. So let's jump back up here. I guess today the title should be Wrong Turns. He really wants over, I think. Oh crap, another drawbridge. Yeah, it doesn't track too good in those grates. And being slippery and wet, less helpful. Takes a little fun out of it. Or does it make it more fun when you do the wiggle wiggle? It's a Space Force base up there. We won't be able to get up. Last minute decision. Don't want to make it on the wrong turn. For God's sakes, done enough of those already. Okay. That would have been a lot faster to cut through there, but not going to happen. Kennedy Space Center up here. You can see Blue Origin's got a big presence here. And obviously still building. Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. You can see the shuttle boosters there, the rocket garden, and me going out of the road. If you've never been there, I highly recommend it. It's really cool. Water's really high here. Usually not much at all. Usually, go figure. Got the rain gear on and it seems to be a pretty nice day now. Albeit a little windy, but I see blue sky. Well, now that the sun's out, let's do a little adventuring. Okay, seems a little weird seeing people out here. I never see anybody here. Looks like everybody's trying their luck at fishing today after the water got churned up. It's usually quite a peaceful area. And this road dries up fast. Not too bad at all. Okay, what I'm thinking right now is I gotta get this rain jacket off. It's turning out to be a pretty nice day. And I don't know if you ever wore a rain jacket. They're kind of warm. So let's find a little spot. We'll stop, take this off. See if we can get a little more comfortable. And we found a little spot. Keeps you dry from the rain from the outside, but kind of sweaty in there. That feels better. And this way maybe my shirt will dry out. These are the beautiful surprises just around the corner. I'd love to get the drone up here, but this is obviously a no drone zone. I'd like to see what it looks like from above. It's nice to see they even mow the sides. Oh, big old bug almost came inside. Still pretty windy. This place has a distinct swampy smell to it. Pretty cool day outside though. Let's see what the temperature is. Currently 85 degrees at almost noon. And I am getting kind of hungry. No place for lunch out here. And we got some gates closed. Gate is locked. Turn around and drive to route exit 3. Oh. Okay. No way around it. Definitely can't get around it. That's a pretty effective gate. That's probably why we see so many cars. Must have had it closed for the hurricane. Maybe they have some damage over on the beach. Let's see what this is.